To support the Rabbit Mind English podcast, we invite you to follow and subscribe to the channel. In this episode, hosts Alex and Emma explore their daily routines. They cover topics like their wake-up times, breakfast choices, and how they structure their mornings. Additionally, they discuss their approaches to learning English, including listening to podcasts and practicing new vocabulary words. Later in the discussion, they share details about their afternoons and evenings, which often include cooking lunch, taking walks, watching films, or enjoying music. The conversation is calm and accessible, making it an excellent resource for English learners to practice listening skills and pick up common everyday expressions.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
How was your morning?
My morning was quite busy. I woke up around 7 a.m. The first thing I did was brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I made a cup of tea and prepared breakfast.
That sounds nice. What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread, eggs, and some fruit. After breakfast, I listened to an English podcast for about 40 minutes because I want to improve my listening skills.
That's a great idea. Listening every day really helps. I woke up around 7:30 a.m. first. I checked my phone and read some messages. Then I took a shower and got ready for the day.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I did. I had toast with cheese and a cup of coffee. After breakfast, I started studying English.
What did you study?
I studied vocabulary and reviewed some grammar.
I also practiced reading a short article in English. It was interesting but a little difficult. I understand that. Sometimes reading can be challenging, but it helps us learn new words. After listening to the podcast, I wrote down some new vocabulary and tried to make sentences with those words.
That's a very good way to learn. After studying, what did you do?
After that, I cleaned my room and organized my desk. I like studying in a clean place because it helps me focus.
That's true. A clean environment makes studying easier. Around noon, I started preparing lunch.
What did you cook?
I cooked rice with chicken and vegetables. It was simple but very tasty. What about you?
I didn't cook today. I ordered some food from a small restaurant. I ate noodles and soup.
That sounds delicious.
What did you do after lunch?
After lunch, I rested for a while and watched a short video online. Then I decided to go for a walk outside because the weather was nice.
Walking is always a good idea. It helps you relax and think clearly.
Yes, exactly. During my walk, I listened to some music and enjoyed the fresh air.
That sounds peaceful.
In the afternoon, I studied English again for about 1 hour. This time I focused on listening practice.
What kind of listening practice did you do?
I listened to a slow English podcast and tried to understand every sentence. Sometimes I paused the audio and repeated the sentences.
That is a very effective method. Repeating sentences helps improve pronunciation too.
Yes, I think so. After studying, I read a few pages from a book.
What kind of book was it?
It was a simple English storybook. The story was interesting and easy to understand.
That's great. Reading stories is a fun way to learn.
Later in the afternoon, I helped my friend with some work on the computer.
What kind of work?
He needed help organizing some files and writing a short email in English.
That's good practice. Helping others can also improve your skills.
Yes, that's true. In the evening, I started preparing dinner.
What did you eat for dinner?
I made soup and bread. It was light but very good. What about you?
I cooked pasta with tomato sauce and salad.
That sounds tasty. After dinner, what did you do?
After dinner, I watched a documentary online. It was about travel and different cultures.
That sounds interesting.
I enjoy learning about different countries. Yes, it was very informative. After that, I listened to some relaxing music. In the evening, I also spent some time watching videos in English. I like watching videos because they help me learn natural expressions.
That's a good strategy. Do you practice speaking too?
Yes, sometimes I try to speak to myself in English and describe my daily activities.
That's actually a very good exercise.
Yes, it helps me think in English. Later at night, I checked my messages and replied to some emails.
I usually do the same. Before sleeping, I like to read something relaxing. What time do you usually go to bed?
Usually around 11 p.m., I try to sleep early so I can wake up fresh in the morning.
That's a good habit. I usually sleep around 10:30 p.m.
It seems both of us had productive days.
Yes, we did many useful things today. Talking about daily activities like this is also a good way to practice English.
I agree. The more we practice, the better we become.
Absolutely. Having conversations like this really helps make English feel more natural and comfortable. It's way better than just memorizing from textbooks.
Thank you for listening and supporting Rabbit Mind English podcast. Don't forget to follow the channel and keep learning English with us.